Hello everyone, welcome back to engiiine Car Talk. Today I will be talking about how powerful is a V6 engine. Now, if you didn't know, engiiine Car Talk is a channel focused on bringing you an in-depth explanation and latest news in the auto world. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe now for more content and comment below any topic you want to see on this channel. So let's get into the video. V6 is an acronym for an engine with 6 cylinders configured in V-shaped vertical arrangement over the main crankshaft, but not all 6 cylinders are in feed configuration. It may also be in an inline configuration or straight configuration. A V6 engine is a V engine with 6 cylinders mounted on the crankshaft in 2 banks of 3 cylinders, usually set at either a 60 or 90 degree angle to each other. V6 is one of the most compact engine configuration, usually ranging from 2.0 liter to 4.3 liter displacement. A V6 engine gives better power and time you want. V6 engines are standard on big SUVs and large cars, making these cars weightier and require more power to move, but less fuel economy. The most commonly used engine configurations are 4-cylinder, 6 cylinders and 8 cylinders in a popularity order. The advantage of having extra cylinder is to have more power, smoother performance and durability. Its disadvantage is that of increased gas consumption and a slightly higher cost of maintenance and purchase. The most effective cylinder bank angle for a V6 is 60 degrees. This makes the smallest size engine and reduces vibration, but not well balanced. The V6 is common in mid-size cars because it is less expensive to build and has better fuel consumption than the V8 and smoother in large size than the inline 4. The 90 degree fits in an engine compartment designed for a V8, providing a low-cost alternative to the V8 in an expensive car, while the 60 degree fixes will fit in most engine compartment design for an inline 4, providing a more powerful and smoother alternative engine to the inline 4, but not perfectly smooth. The number of cylinders that an engine contains is an important factor in the overall performance of the engine. Each cylinder contains a piston that pumps inside of it, and those pistons connect to the crankshafts. The future of V6 still looks bright, despite the high fuel price and increasing number of price-sensitive consumers. The V6 continues to be commercially successful. To end it all, it is not a good idea to try install a V6 engine into a car model that comes with a standard 4-cylinder. Retrofitting a 4-cylinder car to handle V6 engine would cost more than simply buying a new car. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you next time. Bye for now.